Hey, what's going on, guys? At the beginning of the video, you seen what my truck is doing. The idle is just bananas. There's different terms for it, but here, let me show you again. This is just on a normal morning. It's about 70 degrees out. Nothing crazy. Alright guys, so here I am underneath the truck and got the new part installed. You want to make sure your truck is in neutral. It's very important because these coming out of the factory, they are set to neutral. So put your car in neutral, put something underneath the wheels. I got some other bricks in the back, but yeah, put something underneath the wheels, put in neutral. That's a 16 millimeter. These two little ones are 8 millimeter. You don't have to remove your linkage. I just put a impact on there, held this with a pair of vice grips so it didn't pop out of neutral. Took it out. Like I said, 2 bolts, slapped it on. And I'm going to show you because there's a lot of confusion on the internet when the trucks do this. And it's a very simple fix. And like I said earlier in the video, you can go with a aftermarket. This is an aftermarket one, NS94. Or you can go with the original Motorcraft. Motorcraft is around 85. This was 40 bucks. And the reason, again, I'm going to say this, but again, do keep this in mind. Opinions are like assholes. I don't care what you put on your truck. The reason I went with the aftermarket one, because it takes literally 5 minutes to put on. If this was a part was very hard to get to, yes, I would spend extra money. But I have in the past used the aftermarket ones, and they last for a couple of years. So, like I said, you know, if you want to use aftermarket, Motorcraft, don't care, you know, put whatever you want on your truck. I had luck with these aftermarket ones, and I save, you know, 50% of the cost. But what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start the truck, because earlier in the video, I started the truck with the old part, and you heard what it was doing. The RPM's bouncing. So let me show you. Getting too old for this shit. Getting up and down. All right. So I do have a tuner in this right here. It's all the way to the left, means it's all the way off. There's nothing actually going to be sent to my computer. So here we go. So as you can see, like new, no issues. So yeah, do keep that in mind. If you do get a crazy idle jumping, they call it a lope, I guess, or whatever the hell. But yeah, if you get some crazy RPMs jumping on idle, it is a very, very simple fix. It's cheap. Don't freak out. You know, if you have any questions, you can email me, you know, write me a comment. I do get to all the comments. It may take me, you know, a couple days, but I do answer every comment that I get on my channel. So again, thank you for watching. You guys have a great day. I hope you guys had a great new year. Mine is turning out pretty good. I got a brand new lift. I'm going to be doing some reviews on that. I'm hoping I don't have to do any damn modifications, because it seems like every time I get something, I have to modify it somehow to fit my needs, you know, what I use it for. But got my fingers crossed on this damn lift, and I'm hoping I don't have to do anything. But anyway, thank you for watching. Any questions, comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you on the next video. See ya.